Hey everyone, get ready for a recipe that's going to rock your world. This spinach and artichoke dip is the ultimate crowd pleaser. It's perfect for parties, game days, or just a cozy night in. Trust me, this dip disappears fast. It's warm, creamy, cheesy, and oh so delicious. Let's get cooking! This recipe is super easy to make. You can have it ready in no time. I'll walk you through each step. Get ready for some serious deliciousness, sure to impress. First, we need to prep our spinach. I'm using fresh spinach here. It's super easy to wilt down. Just heat a little olive oil in a pan. Then, toss in your spinach and cook it until it wilts. This only takes a few minutes. Don't worry if you don't have fresh spinach. You can use frozen spinach too. Just make sure to thaw it completely. Then squeeze out any excess water. We want our dip to be creamy, not watery. Section 4. Mixing magic, creating the creamy dream. Now for the fun part. Grab a large bowl. Add your softened cream cheese, sour cream, Parmesan cheese, garlic, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Mix it all up until it's smooth and creamy. Once your creamy base is ready, it's time to add the spinach and artichoke hearts. Gently fold them in until everything is combined. Now take a taste. You can always adjust the seasoning to your liking. Section 5. Baking bliss. From oven to golden perfection. Welcome to the heart of the home, where the magic of baking happens. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial to ensure even baking. Now take your creamy dip mixture and pour it into a baking dish. Make sure to spread it out evenly so it cooks uniformly. I like to use a pie plate or a small casserole dish. These dishes help in achieving that perfect golden crust. Next, generously sprinkle that mozzarella cheese all over the top. The cheese will melt and create a deliciously gooey layer. Pop that dish in the oven and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. Keep an eye on it as it bakes to ensure it doesn't overcook. You'll know it's ready when it's golden brown and bubbly. The edges should be slightly crispy and the center should be hot and melty. Oh, and your kitchen is going to smell amazing. The aroma of baked cheese and spices will fill the air, making it hard to wait until it's cool enough to eat. Enjoy your baking bliss! Section 6. Dip, dive, devour, serving up the star of the show. Today we're diving into the ultimate comfort food experience. Once your dip is out of the oven, let it cool for a few minutes. This allows the flavors to meld together perfectly. Trust me, it's worth the wait. The anticipation makes it even more delicious. You don't want to burn your mouth on all that cheesy goodness. Now the best part, the moment we've all been waiting for. Serve your dip with your favorite dippers. I love tortilla chips. They add the perfect crunch. But you can also use baguette slices, pita bread, or even fresh veggies. Each dipper brings a unique texture and flavor. This dip is seriously good with anything. Whether you're a fan of crispy, crunchy, or fresh, there's a dipper for you. So there you have it, a versatile, crowd-pleasing dish that's perfect for any occasion. The best spinach and artichoke dip recipe ever. Creamy, cheesy, and packed with flavor. It's easy, delicious, and always a crowd pleaser. Perfect for parties, family gatherings, or just a cozy night in. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. I love hearing your feedback and seeing your photos. I love seeing your creations. Happy cooking. Enjoy every cheesy, delicious